Now I'm going to show you how to install my chatbot version 8. First, you should use the link I have given in the description. I'm going to choose my repositories in here. Yeah. In here you can see version 8, and to download this, first copy this code and then open PowerShell or CMD. In here, in this location, you're going to type git clone. You need to have installed git src before you're going to proceed, and you need to have a GitHub account to access this, otherwise it's cool. Now let's I don't think you need a GitHub account, but you must install git src. Okay, now that file's been downloaded, as you can see where the hell is, oh yeah, in here you can see the files. Now we need to install the necessary libraries. I have made a requirement documents for that. Just type git r, let's see the file's name, requirements text. In here, git, oh sorry, so I install, no, not git, sorry, pip install. Copy paste it. It should install the necessary libraries. Could not, no such file. Oh, I made an issue. First you need to locate the Mia version. In here I have to give Mia directory first, then we can run this code. Let's copy this. It should work now. Yeah, the libraries have been installed right now. As you can see, if they are already been installed to your system, it will say requirement satisfied. Wait till it is installed. It will take quite a while. It depends on the network speed. Once you install, you don't have to install it again when opening the application if you use the system interpreter. Just wait a bit. Okay, it's almost there. You could skip the video. It will install. Still, it is doing its job. It isn't completed yet. Just wait a little bit more. Shit, I wish I could skip the video right now. Okay, it's installing. Still, it is installing. While it is in, yes, it's been installed. Now it's done. You can open PyCharm. You can create a virtual environment and run it here as well, but I'm going to do it in the old fashion in PyCharm. Yeah, you need to run this training first. Uh, training py first. Now let's run this. Oh, before you're going to run this, you have to configure the interpreter. To configure your Python interpreter, you can do it in here as well. I'm going to use the usual way. Go to File, go to Settings. In here, you can see project, near version 8, Python interpreter, near give add interpreter, add local interpreter, give system interpreter. Yeah, okay, it should be here. Let's see. If it is not available there, we have to. Okay, let me show you. You need to locate your Python, install Python exe. Just usually in, let me find it in C users and local here. That is this app data, application data, not application data. Uh, can we see that? I think it's a hidden one. Let me see. Yeah, this will show the hidden files in here. App data, local, in here, programs, Python, and Python exe. Click OK, OK, and OK. Now, most likely the program will run. First of all, you need to train the chatbot. To train the chatbot for the given intents JSON file, just click on the training Python and then enter. Still you can't do it because the sketches will updated. Once it's done, you can run this file. Let me run it and show you. Just keep hang on. Yeah, now you can run the current file. You need to make sure this is current file. See, there's an error. Let's see what's the error. uh, see, see something is wrong. Let's add this TensorFlow plugin, restart the process. Okay, see whether it's done now. Still there is an issue. Yes. Record recommend is already satisfied. Yeah, Now it's working. You have to manually install Tensor. For some reason, it doesn't work via the requirements file. Now, uh, something's. Let's ignore this for a while. Let's see whether this chatbot runs or not. See, yeah, some of the libraries been installed. Hmm. So that's is the no, that's not a problem. Okay. Now once you run this training Python file, you can run your app like this is the GUI. Oh, another error. Let's check this error. Things the problem is in here. I think the requirements file didn't work quite well, but you don't have to install all the issues. Let's check these issues and debug it. See which has the problem. Yeah, this one. So install the package. I mean, you can install it like that, but let's install using pip. And the next requirement files are going to update it. Okay, it should work. Now let's go to the Mia Apply TV. Let's see, discover binary modules. Wait for that to complete. Data and skeletons. It's almost done. It's almost there. Okay, now you can run it, I guess. See, it runs or not. Shit. No module name. Okay, GGS. See whether it's not installed. It should be here. It should be in here. Yeah, this has been installed. Think that requirements file some issue. Just go through with me and you will fix your errors as well. If install gtts comma pygame and see install now. Okay, same procedure. Go check ITX whether yeah it's been installed. Training have no issues. Testing is done already. Check for main features if there are issues. Nope, everything is fine. Everything seems in order. Now let's check in here as well. Yeah, it's already done. Now you can run the file. Oh wait, it's still updating the skeletons. You have to wait a bit. Yeah. Now the application is working in order. Let's say hi.
Hey, I'm Mia.
Okay, I believe the voice is not bad. Yeah, I'm using Google Text to Speech. Let's ask how are you doing?
I am doing fine. What about you?
Yeah, I mean I'm doing fine too.
It's good to know.
Yeah. Now let's ask her to open Word document. Open Word, not document, Word app.
Word is opened, honey.
Yeah, it's opened. Mm, you can use this to increase your volume. Let's see our current volume level. It's about here. Let's increase the volume. Increase volume.
Audio has been increased.
Yeah, the audio has been increased. Let's check. Yeah, the audio has been increased. Let's increase it again. I don't want much audio right now. Can open YouTube. Okay, it seems something. Yeah, there is an error. Let's try it again. Some unexpected error. Directly say open YouTube. Yeah, the YouTube is opening. The button is
YouTube
working.
is open,
Yeah,
dear.
I think something has maybe a RAM issue because this only has an 8 GB RAM. This application requires quite a lot of RAM for now. Okay, now it's done. And I want to mention this button doesn't do, I mean, it's intended functionality to record your voice. But in the next build, I show you it will have the speech recognition feature, so you can input your voice instead of typing. Um, okay. If you have any issues, be sure to comment below and be sure to subscribe. Thank you.